Okay, welcome back to the channel, C1 Advanced Exam Preparation. Today, what I thought I would do is look at ChatGPT, okay, and ask the question, can it help me sort of prepare better for the exam? Okay, and one particular area I think which is quite good that you could use, okay, is in the writing section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an essay from a student, okay, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to say, what can I do to improve this? Look at some improvements, okay? And hopefully these are things that you can do as well, okay? So let's see what happens. Let's get into it, and let's get straight to it. Okay, so here we have ChatGPT. We have our chat box that we're going to use to communicate with the AI. Okay, we're going to look at an essay about the importance of language in relation to culture and the world of work. Okay, right. Okay, so this is our introduction that we're going to have a look at. We're asking ChatGPT to have a look at this introduction. Okay, you might say perhaps it's a little long, so perhaps we can sort of perhaps even condense this down. Okay, we've explained that it comes from, or it's for the C1 Advanced exam, so ChatGPT knows what we're writing about. Okay, we're asking for suggestions, and we're going to bold the suggestions. Okay. And let's just write in the title. And we provided here the title so that the ChatGPT knows more or less what kind of essay that we'll be writing. Okay, so let's see what comes up. Okay, so here we have our new sort of revised introduction. Okay, starting with a rhetorical question. Nowadays, this question has become increasingly popular in our society. Recent research suggests. So you can sort of see here how we sort of, the student before had made a mistake in that she had written a recent research. Well, research is uncountable. So ChatGPT's picked up on that and obviously corrected it. So recent research suggests learning languages has several positive benefits. For instance, people seem to have a better understanding of different cultures, and it can also enhance job opportunities. Let's look at these two main benefits and examine which one is more important. So we've got our introduction here. We've talked about the two different parts that we're going to be talking about. We've got culture and job opportunities. We've got our general sort of statements at the beginning. So we introduce the topic to the reader, okay? And we were explaining to the reader what we're going to be doing by looking at these two main benefits, and then providing in the conclusion what we're going to be doing, which one is more important, okay? So you can see here how these bold suggestions have been made, and then it goes on to sort of explain what it has done. Okay, it's more concise. Okay, it picked up on the recent research and corrected that. It's uncountable. Okay, and just sort of made it a bit more sort of concise and better. Okay, so we've got an improved version of our introduction here. Okay, so let's go on to this sort of first paragraph and do the same thing again. Right. Okay. So we are asking ChatGPT to do the same. Okay. Providing suggestions, bolding the suggestions. Okay. We've got our paragraph that we're going to sort of get it to look at here highlighted. Okay. And let's see what comes up. Let's press the button. And here we go. Right. Okay. Again, we've got the suggestions in bold, so we can sort of check and see if that's okay. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Speaking the language of another country can open people's minds, and it helps those who have just arrived to properly understand the culture. Okay. So it sort of explains clearly what we're talking about in relation to the importance of language and culture. Once they get involved in the community, they can gain a deeper insight into why native people live the way they do or why they act in a certain way. Additionally, it helps them fully appreciate the reason behind their festivities. Foreigners realize that after living a few years in another country, they can feel fully integrated into the community as long as they speak the language of that country. Okay, so more or less we've got some things here that I'm sure we've written, or the student has written before here. Okay, what we're going to do, again, it provides sort of the reasons why it made the corrections. Okay, better phrasing it's got here. Okay, spelling perhaps in some corrections here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take our improved version here, but now we're going to get ChatGPT to look at the organization, okay, and perhaps also the grammar, and see if we can improve the grammar structures that are used, okay, because that's important for language, and also the organization, okay, and see if we can improve that. So we've asked ChatGPT to look at the organization of the paragraph, okay? Again, providing additions in relation to linking words, cohesive devices, improving the flow of the paragraph, and bolding suggestions, okay? So let's see what comes up here. Right, okay, and we've got some suggestions made here, okay? So we've got some linking devices here, for instance, moreover, as a result, okay, you can see here how these sort of connect sentences better, okay? And again, here we've got the suggestions and the reasons behind it. So more importantly, strengthens the connection between language learning and the cultural understanding, okay? Provided that slightly more formal and cohesive than as long as, okay? So we've got the conditional sentence here, okay? So you can see here how the sort of organization has been improved, okay? What we're going to do now is we'll look at the grammar. We're going to look at the paragraph again and get ChatGPT to look at the grammar and suggest some improvements. Right. Okay. So now we're looking at the grammar. Okay. We've explained what kind of grammar we need to perhaps consider. We've got here, if it's possible, a negative inversion structure, a cleft sentence, a conditional sentence, but only if it sort of makes the essay comes across in a natural way. Okay. And again, we're asking for suggestions in bold. Okay. So let's see what comes up. Right. Okay. So here we have our improved paragraph. Okay. And you can see here the enhancements made. We've got a negative inversion structure, not only with but, okay, slightly more formal, slightly more emphatic than the sentence that we had previously. Okay. We've got a cleft sentence that also emphasizes, again, the sort of main idea, integrating into communities. Okay. And as well, we've got a second conditional sentence, okay, that's also been included, okay? So let's just look and see what we've got. Not only can speaking the language of another country open people's minds, but it also helps those who have just arrived to properly understand the culture. So what was the sentence we had before? Let's just compare back or look back and see what we've got. So we had this sentence before. Speaking the language of another country can open people's minds, and more importantly, it helps those who have just arrived to properly understand the culture. Now, with the negative inversion, we've got the idea slightly more emphatic, okay? We've got now a cleft sentence here, what truly allows them to integrate. So again, them referring back to the people, that gives us our organization. Getting involved in community, as this gives them a deeper insight into why native people live the way they do or why they act in a certain way. Okay, let's go back and see how that compared. For instance, once they get involved in the community, they can gain a deeper insight into why native people live the way they do or why they act in a certain way. So we've got the sentence here, but just slightly more emphatic. With this cleft sentence that's been included, okay? So our organization here with moreover, it connects on, helps them fully appreciate the reason behind their festivities. So it sort of justifies this question here about in a certain way. And then with a second conditional here at the end, if foreigners did not learn the language, they would find it much harder to feel part of the community. So this sort of second conditional sentence here is sort of again explaining the reasonings that have been made. Let's go back and look. And we can see here, as a result, foreigners realize that after living years in another country, they can feel fully integrated into the community. Okay. So now with this sort of second conditional, we get sort of an added grammar bonus. Okay. And then sort of carry on. Whereas those who do not speak it realize that after living in a few years in another country, they can feel fully integrated. Okay. So we can see here how we've included some improvements, okay? Okay, so this is something that you can do and hopefully learn, okay? Obviously in the exam, you won't have these facilities, but while you're preparing for the exam, this is something that you can do. It's something you can look at, ask for sort of improvements, okay? And hopefully with the improvements that you can see, you can then use those, you can use those improvements in the next essay, okay? And remember how sort of the different sort of grammatical structures were included, okay? And the organizational devices that were used, the linking devices, cohesive devices, okay? These are sort of key parts of the essay, okay? They will improve your organization, also the language score, but also sort of improve the essay overall. Okay, so have a look at it, have a play, see what you think. Okay, I think it's a definite plus. It's freely available. Okay, and see what you think. Okay.